Hello students, today we will discuss about the chapter 2 of class 9 polynomials. So let's start. Term. The expression which written as x square xy minus x plus y 4xy are called terms. Means the expression which we rewrite look like that in this way is called terms. Okay. So let's these are also some examples of terms. We write also some another examples like examples x plus y minus 2 x minus y x square minus yz. These are also called examples of terms. After that, why we discuss? You all students think that why we discuss terms concept, because in polynomial concept we use the concept of terms. That's why we discuss. Firstly, we discuss the concept term. So let's start. The algebraic expression in which one term is present is called polynomial. The polynomial is divided into binomial, monomial, trinomial, and what we discuss about polynomial. At last we discuss polynomial. Monomial is, what is monomial? Monomial is the algebraic expression in which one term is present is called monomial. Examples are 3xy, 4xyz, x square y. All the examples, all the expressions we write in this manner, in this form, we call examples of monomial. These are called one term. All three examples are called one term, and this one term is called monomial. Another example is x, y, z square. Fifth example is x and y. What we write in this form, all are examples of monomial. Second one is binomial. Bi means, mono means one, mono means one, binomial, bi means two. The meaning of y is two. So by name it clear that binomial means the expression in which two terms are present is called binomial. वो वाला algebraic expression जिसमें दो terms क्या हो, present हो, लिखी हो, उन सब को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Binomial. Examples of binomials are x plus y, 3x square y, 4x square minus y, x plus 3, y plus 4. These all are examples of binomial. Third one is trinomial. By name, tri means three. By name it clear that the algebraic expression in which three terms are present is called trinomial. एक ऐसा algebraic expression जिसमें तीन टर्म्स क्या हो, प्रेजेंट हो, उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? ट्राइनोमियल. एक ऐसा algebraic expression जिसमें थ्री टर्म्स प्रेजेंट हो, हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे? ट्राइनोमियल. Examples of trinomials are x plus y plus z, x square plus x plus 1, y square minus y plus 4. All these are examples of trinomial. Polynomials. An algebraic expression in which more than three terms are present is called polynomial. एक ऐसा algebraic expression जिसमें तीन से ज़्यादा, एक बार ध्यान से सुनो, तीन से ज़्यादा टर्म्स जो हैं प्रेजेंट हो, उन सबको हम क्या कहेंगे? Polynomial. An algebraic expression in which more than three terms are present is called polynomial. After that, we discuss main topic in this chapter is polynomial in one variable. So first we discuss about what is variable. The term variable is a term in which we change the variable. Variable means, we discuss this with example. Let's example 5x square. Here x is variable. We call this x is a variable because when we change the value of x, the whole term's value is also changed. मीन्स एक ऐसी, अगर हम x की वैल्यू जो है वो चेंज करते रहें और उसके साथ हमारी जो वेरिएबल की वैल्यू है, सॉरी होल टर्म की वैल्यू है, वो क्या हो जाए, चेंज हो जाए, तो जिसकी वैल्यू चेंज करने से टर्म चेंज होती है उसको हम क्या कहेंगे, वेरिएबल. जैसे अगर मेरे पास यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू 1 है तो टर्म की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, 5 इंटू 1 का स्क्वायर. इफ x इज इक्वल टू 2 देन दिस टर्म इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 2 स्क्वायर विच इज इक्वल टू 20. Therefore here we discuss, here we change the value of x, the value of whole term is also changed. So here we call x is a variable. Okay, so now we discuss polynomial in one variable. If the terms of polynomial is written in only one variable is called polynomial in one variable. मतलब कि अगर हमारे पास जो पॉलिनोमियल्स की टर्म्स होती हैं उन सभी को अगर हम एक वेरिएबल में लिखें तो जो हमारी पॉलिनोमियल बनेगी उसको हम बोलते हैं पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल. मैं दोबारा फिर रिपीट करता हूँ बेटा. जो हमारी पॉलिनोमियल्स, हमें ये पता है कि पॉलिनोमियल हमारी जो है वो टर्म्स से मिलकर बनती है. तो जो टर्म्स हैं अगर उन सभी टर्म्स में वेरिएबल जो है वो एक है तो हम उस पॉलिनोमियल को क्या बोलेंगे, पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल. ओके, एग्जांपल्स ऑफ, हियर दिस इज एग्जांपल्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल वन वेरिएबल बिकॉज देयर आर 3 टर्म्स, in each terms variable is x, here variable is y, here variable is y. If we call this binomial, this is not in one variable because in this variable is 2, x and y are 2 variable. So here the question is arise out of these all 5 examples which are एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल. क्वेश्चन हिंदी में रिपीट करता हूँ कि इन सभी 5 एग्जाम्पल में से अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि इन सभी 5 एग्जाम्पल में से कौन सी एग्जाम्पल्स पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल हैं वो आप मुझे बताओ. तो हेयर वेरिएबल इज 2, दिस इज नॉट पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल. आल्सो वेरिएबल 2, दिस इज आल्सो इन वेरिएबल 2. हेयर this is variable, this is polynomial is in one variable because here in this polynomial x is only present. Also this is also examples of polynomial in one variable. So I thought you all clear that what is polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable. Further we discuss zero polynomial. What is zero polynomial? If we write any constant then we call it zero polynomial.